Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of digital marketing and specifically email marketing. We'll be discussing some tips for creating successful email campaigns. So, let's get started. Email marketing is a powerful tool that can help you connect with your audience and drive conversions. But to make the most of it, you need to create campaigns that resonate with your subscribers. Here are some tips to help you do just that. 1. Personalize your emails. Adding personal touches to your emails can make them feel more authentic and engaging. Use your subscriber's name and consider segmenting your list to send more targeted messages. 2. Keep it short and sweet. No one wants to read a novel in their inbox. Keep your emails concise and to the point. Use clear, easy-to-understand language and avoid jargon. 3. Use a clear call to action. Make it easy for your subscribers to take the next step. Include a clear call to action that directs them to your website, social media, or wherever you want them to go. 4. Test. Before you hit send, test your email to make sure it looks great on all devices and platforms. This will help ensure that your message is received as intended. 5. Use engaging content. Include images, videos, or other visuals that will capture your subscribers' attention. Make sure your content is relevant and valuable to your audience. Remember, the key to successful email marketing is to provide value to your subscribers. Keep your messages interesting, relevant, and helpful. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to creating successful email campaigns that drive results. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more digital marketing tips and tricks. Until next time, happy marketing!